Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Xiaomi Redmi 13. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down, enter additional settings, go for gesture shortcuts, and here first option is launch Google Assistant with the power button by holding it for half a second. Then you can perform the setup of Google Assistant because you need that to make it work. Now we can go back, and the second option is take a screenshot with two different methods inside. First is to slide 3 fingers from top of the screen to capture a screenshot. Another one is volume down plus a power key to also capture the screenshot. Then we have a launch camera. Double press the power button to enter camera quickly, which should work from any screen, but when it's locked you might need to unlock it. Next one is double press volume down button when the screen is locked. And this feature for some reason doesn't work. You can try it on your phone if you like. Now we can go back and select turn on torch. When enabled, you can double press on the power button to enable or disable the flashlight. And the last one is double tap a fingerprint sensor. If you click on it, you can assign a different action like calculator, which should open a calculator when you double tap on the fingerprint scanner, and the fingerprint scanner is located directly on the power button. Don't press on it, just tap your finger on the fingerprint scanner and it should perform the action you assigned. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.